Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fix your sound if it's making a crackling noise. You will know when you hear it. So the best to do is just uninstall your sound drivers and your microphone. So go to your start menu, right click, device manager, then in device manager go to audio inputs and outputs, and then uninstall your microphone and your speakers or headphones or whatever you're using to hear sound. And then come down here, there's a second sound, video and game controllers. Again, just uninstall the one you're using. I'm using just a normal Realtek driver headphone. Uninstall that as well. Now from here you can restart your computer and it will install all the drivers again. But I just right click here and I scan for hardware changes. It installed all the drivers again and that fixed my problem, luckily. So that's one fix. You can also check if that doesn't work. You can go to Task Manager and just see if any of your programs is running in the red, eating up all your resources. And maybe just disable that and see if you really need that program. You can even uninstall it. Same goes to startup. You can actually disable some of these programs if it's not critical that they run at startup. And just sit there in the background. So obviously I want my Google Drive to work, but like Microsoft Edge doesn't need to run. This mouse driver doesn't need to run. So yeah, just check there. And then check in your performance. Is anything running in the red? Is it running at the top of this bar? Make sure, obviously if you have a game in the background, it will be a bit higher. But if not, check for your process and your startup what is eating up all your resources. That might help with the sound crackling as well. So yeah,